Four little engines. You should visit a place that has a lake in the woods and a beautiful waterfall. Then you may also find two little engines called Skarloey and Agnes. The engines know everybody, and everybody knows them. There are two more engines, Sir Handel and Peter Sam. They used to be called Stewart and Falcon, but they liked their new names better. One day, Sir Handel was having trouble with some coaches. He tried to be kind, but the coaches didn't trust him. They were awkward and rude. There was worse to come. Some careless sheep strayed onto the line. "He's bumped us!" screamed the coaches. "Let's get back at him!" They surged into Sir Handel and pushed him off the rails. No one was hurt, but Sir Handel limped sadly to the shed. "No more work for you today," said Mr. Percival. "Bother those coaches. How are we going to pull the visitors' train without an engine?" "What about me, sir?" said a voice. "Skarloey, can you do it?" "I'll try," said the old engine. The coaches stood at the platform. "I'm ashamed of you," scolded Skarloey. "Such behavior! You might have hurt your passengers on market day, too." The coaches quivered. "We're sorry, Skarloey. We didn't think. It's that Sir Handel—" "No tales," said Skarloey firmly. "I won't have it, and don't dare try tricks on any other engine." "No, Skarloey," said Agnes and Ruth together. "Of course not, Skarloey," added Lucy, Jemima, and Beatrice together as well. Just then, the conductor blew the whistle, and their journey began. Skarloey remembered all the gates and stiles where he had to stop. The sun shone, and the rails were dry. "This is lovely," sang Skarloey. Presently, the line grew steep. Skarloey felt short of steam. "Take your time," soothed his driver. "It'll be better downhill," Skarloey said to himself. But it wasn't. His springs were weak, and the rail joints jarred his wheels. At last, a spring gave way. "I feel all crooked," cried Skarloey. "We'll need a bus now for our passengers," sighed his driver. "No," pleaded Skarloey. "I'll get them to the station or bust." James was waiting at the platform. Clanging and clanking, Skarloey steamed in. "I'll do it! I'll do it! I've done it!" James collected his passengers and respectfully puffed away. Everyone was pleased with Skarloey, but he was still worried. "Old engines can't pull trains like the young ones can." "They can if they're mended, old faithful," smiled his driver. "And that's what's gonna happen to you. You deserve it."